I don't know what kind of environment you're going to choose if you want to share with your students a document so they can write. You can either use the 1drive, as we explained, the Microsoft version of sharing documents online and working online collaboratively, or you can use the Google Drive, the Google version of it. Both work with the same principles. Let's go and see the 1drive and how easy it is to create stuff. I'm taking you to my 1drive. I'm using it for a long time now, so it is very easy. This is a structure. You can click the create and you can make a folder. For example, I'm creating a folder now called SASTA. SASTA trial folder, and it is like making a document in any other computer, but this time the computer is online, and within that folder I can create a Word document. And I want you to see, I'm opening that because I want you to see the interface with the actual computer-based Word. So you will be able, if you create a document in the Word online, to use most of the facilities of the Word. You can have a choice of your fonts. You can have a choice of the size of the fonts. You can highlight, bold, you can center bullets, you can find, as you do in a Word document, you can insert tables, pictures, links, you can change your page layout, you can review, editing comments. So it is actually a Word document, and you can write as normal, and there's no need for you to go and file save, because as you see here, you click file save as, it saves automatically on the 1drive, and from here you can rename the file, you can download it as PDF, you can download a copy of this or save it to the 1drive as normally. This time I'm loading to my 1drive, and I have to save it to the specific folder, so I'm saving it here, and I'm done. And I can name it. I can name it test 1, and after that, every time I'm writing anything, I'm writing, highlighting, or adding, can be edited online because I have uploaded. I can also always have the option to open it in Word, and I can keep adding whatever I want to write. I can keep using all the options of the Word, and if I want, I can share it easily, either by inviting people, so I can give them a note and I can give the recipients the ability to edit. I'm going to invite myself here, so I'm writing this. This is my virtual Alexandra, and I'm going to invite my other ego, Alexandra of GIHS. Sorry, alexandra.oliver@gihs.sa.edu.au. As you see, this is Alexandra Scholeva's file, Okay, and I have to have two different names. I'm Alexa Oliver here. Here I'm Alexandra Oliver, so I can send a message to myself. Please edit or help me. And then I have to make the recipient able to edit, and I can just send this person the link. The recipient doesn't need to have a Microsoft account to edit my document. So I'm sharing this with that person, and I will get a link. Okay, so Alexandra can edit it. She will have an email received that tells her that she can edit it. Another way I can use is I can get a link, and I'm creating a link. I can shorten the link, and I can highlight this, Control C, close, and email it to her, or put it on the board, or put it in another document. Sorry, and I can say, okay, Control V, come on guys, could you please use this link, enter it into your browser, and start all together working and editing. Exactly the same way we say the Google Docs. So I'm going out now, going to the folder, and you will see that the document is there. The test one is there, and I'm the owner. The same way I can create Excel workbooks, PowerPoint presentations, OneNote notebooks, surveys, the equivalent of forms. I like to choose and create things on OneDrive because the links maintained, because the PowerPoints are the ones similar to the Word, and I can choose the designs of the Word. Look at this. And I can choose whatever I want, and I can format the background. Sorry, I needed to choose it. So I chose the second one, and I can format the background as I want it, and I can change the color. I can do whatever I want. Yeah, as if it was a PowerPoint. And again, the same way, I can share it via link, an open link, or a public link with editing rights, or invite people over. Exactly the same way. Okay, so anyone with a link can edit. I can shorten the link. I'm giving them, and I'm done. When I go out, it will be saved. Even if I try to save it, because I'm online, I can do it. Okay, so exactly the same way that we're working on the Word. So I'm changing that. Presentation test. I would like to keep that video as any other video small, so I'm going to stop it here. But the point is that I need to show you a similar thing onto the drive. So please bear with me. So I'm on my presentation, yes, and my test document on the OneDrive, and now I'm going to my drive, the Google Drive. I I think there is a fight here. Money, again, is a problem. Who is going to earn most money? Google or Microsoft? Google intervened, got into the field, stepped into Microsoft domain when they created the Google Docs. So here, that's my drive, Alexa's drive. In that drive I can create a folder, which I'm calling again in my OneDrive this time, SASTA folder. Okay. And within that SASTA folder, I can click and drop files. I'll show you this. I can show you this now. So I can click and drop files. So I can click and drop this, and I'm uploading files. Or I can still uploading there, or I can create files. Okay, so I can bring into that my existing ones, so I can create new ones. Let me create my new folders. I can create a Google Doc, which is the equivalent of a Word document, but I want you to see that it has less editing tools here. You see, it has the bold and the italic, some text, centering or justifying some points, nothing else. Okay, of course you can insert, yeah, but they're very, very Google made, because you understand it's money. Money is the issue. Microsoft wouldn't allow Google to take over. So again, I'm writing and I'm inserting tables, or images, but it's very basic. Yep. And in the same way, I can share it. I can title this document test 1, and I'm saving it, and I can send it again to Alexandra Oliva at GIHS, where she can edit it, and I can get a shareable link. This competition is great. If you were in the game for a year or something, you would see that last year this get a shared link was not there. Microsoft did it, Google tried to do it as well. So you get the shareable link, and you copy this link, which is much longer, and you can send it to everybody who can view or can edit or can comment. Okay, so I can send it to me with editing rights, and I need to highlight this, and the link has been updated. I have to copy, Control C the link, and sending that to myself. And here, for example, now I will be able to paste the link, which is big enough. There are some tricks to make that shorter. We will discuss that in the training if you need to. I can make a small video to show you how to do that. Although there is one I have made, and I can put it into the folder. The same way, if I go again to the drive, now you see the test document is there. I can create a slide, Google Slide, which is the equivalent to the PowerPoint, but again with limitations. As I told you, I like to play between everything that's offered in the market, and it's transferable skills. If you learn it in one, you can learn it in another one. And I like the idea of using the Microsoft because I'm happy working with Microsoft. So you see how limited are the slides here in the Google PowerPoint, and still, even if I do something like this, it's creating. Sorry about this. Sorry. There are the same limited Google characteristics. You can insert word art, a line, a table. They do the job, but to me they're limited. And the major problem is that I cannot have other links or videos embedded, where the Microsoft PowerPoint and the online PowerPoint, they communicate very well, and they can keep all the links and all the videos. So I'm saving that, renaming it, okay, or sharing it from here with the same way. And when I go back to the SASTA folder, this is there. So this is what the difference is between the presentation test, yeah, and the presentation I made, the PowerPoint. Remember, still going there, able to edit it, and here I'm going to edit the presentation either in the PowerPoint or in the PowerPoint online, so I can play anywhere I want. You can save in other domains, you can save in Dropbox, you can save anywhere you want. There is money, a lot of money around. Everybody wants our business. Okay, this is the first video on how to create and share documents.